So once again, very good evening to all of you. Now let us continue our test discussion session. So question number 1 में किसी को doubt नहीं, right? Question number 1, 2, 3. Now you are having doubt in question number 4. Okay. The roots of the quadratic equation x by a equal to a by x are. Now understand this question carefully. Okay. So here, how we can find this root? See. So first, if you cross multiply them, then x square equal to a square or not? Now, if you directly take square root over here, that will be your biggest mistake for this question, right? First, you need to take a square on left hand side. You are having here two options. I will show you both of them. Okay. So standard option is take a square on left hand side. So you will get x square minus a square equal to 0. Now, what are the factors of x square minus a square, students? X minus a, x plus a. Right, x minus a, x plus a equal to 0. So here, if x minus a equal to 0 or x plus a equal to 0, right, we'll be having two options, either x minus a equal to 0 or x plus a equal to 0. So after simplification, you will get x is equal to a or x is equal to minus a, right? So this is your one set of option that you can do this question by this manner. Okay. So x is equal to a or x is equal to minus a. So option B will be the right answer. And let me show you another way where you have done mistake, right? What you should have done is, right, what you would have done, x square equal to a square. So I think you should have, आप सब लोगों ने ये किया होगा, स्क्वायर उधर जाएगा तो स्क्वायर रूट हो जाएगा. So x is equal to, आपने डायरेक्ट स्क्वायर रूट a square लिख दिया होगा and it is a only, right? That is the biggest mistake. Are you getting my point? आपने a, a आंसर लिख दिया होगा. That is wrong. एग्जैक्टली मैंने आपको ये बार बार समझाया है कि जब भी स्क्वायर आपका उस तरफ जाएगा, यस, तब आपका वो प्लस और माइनस होगा, राइट? व्हेनेवर स्क्वायर विल गो टू दैट साइड, इट विल बिकम प्लस और माइनस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ a square. So it is your plus or minus a, right? Let me show you this with example. If x square is equal to 4, then tell me what will be your x. X is equal to plus or minus square root 4 or not? So x is equal to plus or minus 2. Are you getting my point? Square root 4 will give you always positive answer. Understand this carefully. Square root 4 will give you always positive answer, right? Square root 4, exactly its name is positive square root or non-negative square root of 4. It will give you always 2, right? But if x square is equal to 4, that means you are finding that x, the square of which is 4. So you are having two options, plus 2 and minus 2. Okay? Is it clear? Please type in chat box. Question 4 clear or not? Right. Now, as per your comments, you are having doubt in question 5. So let us see question 5 now. So on simplification, which out of the following equations would be a quadratic equation? Sorry, which of the following equation will be a quadratic equation? So we'll simplify and we'll check कि आपका कौन सा equation quadratic equation बन रहा है. So question number 1, p plus 1 by p equal to 1. So if I take LCM over here, this will be your p square plus 1 whole divided by p equal to 1 or not? Right, p square plus 1 whole divided by p equal to 1. So if this p is in division over here, if p will go to that side, right, it will be your p. Okay, means it will be multiplied to that side. So this will become p square plus 1 is equal to p. Implies p square minus p plus 1 equal to 0. This is your quadratic equation or not? Tell me. Isn't it your quadratic equation? Right, so this will give you quadratic equation. Now if you check about other options as well, this is x minus 1 upon x square is equal to 1. X minus 1 upon x square is equal to 1. So x square into x, it will give you x cube minus 1 whole divided by x square is equal to 1. So this x square will go to that side So this will be your x cube minus 1 equal to x square. Tell me, is it your quadratic equation? What is degree of this question? Degree of this option 3 or not? Right. So since its degree is 3, is it your quadratic equation? No. This is your cubic equation. Okay. Sure. In the same way, if you simplify option number B, it is also p square into p cube plus 1 whole divided by p equal to 1. So after simplification, you will get p cube plus 1 is equal to p. So this is also your cubic equation or not? Please type something in chat box. Is it clear? This is your cubic equation or not? Okay. So this is your question number 5. Now after question 5, which question you are having doubt? 7, 8, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, right? So I think 7, 8, then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so let us see those questions. Now, question number 7. See carefully your question number 7. Find the present age of a boy whose age 12 years from now will be the square of his present age. Right? We have to find present age of the boy. Right. So I have always given you that whenever you are getting age-based problems, just you have to identify number of persons. Here is only one person is there. There is boy, and they are discussing about two ages, there, present and future. Okay. So what they are talking about? Let us understand that. Find the present age of a boy whose age 12 years from now will be square of his present age. Suppose his present age is x. Right. Now 12 years from now, that means you have to add plus 12 years. So after 12 years, his age will be square of his present age. So if you make this equation, right, this equation is this is your present age x. When you will add 12 to this present age, you will get x square or not? Right, x plus 12 is equal to x square. So after simplification, you will get x square minus x minus 12 equal to 0. X square minus x minus 12 equal to 0. So this is your quadratic equation. Now how can you find roots of this quadratic equation? By method of factorization or not? Right, you can use any method, but factorization will be easier method over here. Okay, so yes. Now tell me factors. What are the factors of 12? The difference of those factors will give you 1. Right. Yes, very good. 4 3s are 12 and we'll give middle sign of middle term to bigger number. Since x coefficient of x square is 1, we can write its factors directly. X minus 4 into x plus 3 equal to 0. So implies x is equal to 4 or, sorry, my mistake, not and, or x equal to minus 3. So we'll be having x is equal to 4 or x is equal to minus 3. Is it clear? Right. So x is equal to 4 or x is equal to minus 3. Chalo, very good. Okay. Now next. Because minus 3 is possible or not? Minus 3 is your age. Is it possible? No. So your answer will be only x is equal to 4. Okay. So in option C, you are having 4 years option. Is it clear? Right. So this is all about your question number 7. Next. You are having doubt in question 8 as well, right? Now, after that, 11 to 15 continue. Now, if the sum and product of the roots of quadratic equation are equal, then k equal to, right? So, sum of the roots is equal to product of the roots. It is given in the question. Now, what is sum of roots over here? Suppose this is your quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Right. So, sum of roots is minus b by a or not? What is product of roots? Product of roots is c by a or not? Chalo. Now, minus b by a. So, minus b, this is your minus 6 by a. A is what? K is equal to c by a. What is your c? C is equal to 4k. Divide by a. A is your k or not? Okay. So, this k will get cancelled out, or you can cancel k from both the side denominator as well. So 4k equal to minus 6 implies k equal to minus 6 by 4, and after cancelling common term, that is 2, you will get k equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay, so k will be your minus 3 by 2. Okay, k is equal to minus 3 by 2. Is that clear? Question 8. Question 8 ka doubt clear, students? Right. Chalo, now you are having doubts in question 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Chalo. The roots of x square minus 2x minus r square minus 1 equal to 0 are. Okay, now see. So how can you solve this quadratic equation? Tell me. Here your constants are r square minus 1, right? So this is your x square minus 2x minus r square minus 1 equal to 0. First method is factorization method. Can you use factorization method? Yes, you can use factorization as well. Right. थोड़ा सोचना पड़ेगा बस. Like you have to find factors of r square minus 1 such that that difference will give you 2. Right. Can you find any factors of r square minus 1 first? Can you factorize r square minus 1? Tell me. Right. Yes, by formula you can also do. Right. But here you will get direct answer. What are factors of r square minus 1? R minus 1, r plus 1 or not? Right. R minus 1 and r plus 1. Right. This is a formula, a square minus b square. Now you have to subtract these two factors such that their difference will be 2. Okay. Now if you subtract them, r minus 1 minus r plus 1, right? Or let us subtract, okay, we require minus 2, na? So we'll give minus sign to bigger term, right? Bigger term is r plus 1. So minus of r plus 1, right, plus r minus 1. So if I simplify this, minus r minus 1 plus r minus 1. So plus r minus r will get cancelled out, you will get minus 2. So after subtraction, you will get minus 2. So these are only your answer, right? What is your answer? This is your minus r plus 1 and this is your r minus 1. And since coefficient of x is 1, so you can directly write x minus r plus 1 into x minus r minus 1 equal to 0. So after simplification, you will get x is equal to, right, this minus of r plus 1 will go to that side, it will become plus r plus 1. X is equal to r plus 1, or if you simplify this, you will get x is equal to r minus 1. X is equal to r minus 1. So one option is x is equal to r minus 1, other is x is equal to r plus 1. Is it clear? Please give me some response. Is it clear or not till here? Okay, r minus 1 and r plus 1. So r minus 1, r plus 1. Exactly it is, wait, r plus 1 and r minus 1. R plus 1 and 1 minus r, here it is there. Let us check. Is it 1 minus r? I have done mistake somewhere. I have done mistake over here. No? This should be plus. So plus will r minus 1 will go to that side. This will become 1 minus r. Right. So there is one mistake from my side. So you will get 1 minus r and r plus 1. Is it clear? Now if you are using formula method over here, right? So this is your one method, factorization. If you are not able to factorize, no problem. Just compare this with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So you'll get a equal to 1, b equal to minus 2, right? And c equal to minus of r square minus 1, right? C equal to minus of r square minus 1. So after simplification, when you multiply this minus on both the sides, you will get minus r square minus minus plus 1. So it is your 1 minus r square. Okay. Now, first you need to find discriminant. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Right. What is your b square? Minus 2 square minus 4a is 1. C is 1 minus r square. So minus 2 square is 4 minus 4, 1 minus r square. You can take 4 common. Here you will be left with 1 minus 1 minus minus plus r square. So plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled out. This is your 4r square. So delta is equal to 4r square. Therefore delta, root delta we can find here as well, but no problem. I will direct find in formula only. So now your roots alpha comma beta, right, or I can say x, can be written as minus b plus or minus under root delta by 2a. So it is equal to minus b is 2, plus or minus under root delta 2, square root of 4 is 2, square root of r square is r, divided by 2a, that is 2 times 1. Right. Now just take 2 common, you will get 1 plus or minus r. Okay, so both the methods are easy. Both the methods are having their own advantage and disadvantage. Okay, so you can use any method, right? Whichever you can feel comfortable. Is it clear? Please type in chat box. Question number 8 clear or not? And tell me which method is comfortable to you. If method 1 or method 2. Write in chat box. Right, this is your method 1. For this question, which method is comfortable to you? Which method is easier for you? Method 1 or method 2? I require response from each one of you. Students, please give me some response. Okay. Okay, great. Okay, सभी students को अलग अलग method पसंद है. What about others? Yes, yes. Okay. Method 2 को ज़्यादा response मिल रहा है. Okay. चलो, question number 12. Shall we start question number 12? Okay. Sure. ओके, ऑलरेडी साइकिल टेस्ट में तो आपने ये एग्जाम दी ही थी, राइट? ये जस्ट आपके चैप्टर का रिवीजन था. हाँ, okay. Now question number 12. The sides of two square plots, right? The sides of two square plots are 2x minus 1 meter and 5x plus 4 meter. There are two square plots different, right? Such that x is greater than or equal to 1. The area of the second square plot is 9 times the area of the first square plot. Find the side of the larger plot. Okay. अब इन दोनों में से लार्जर कौन सा है वो आपको डिटरमाइन करना है, समझना. ओके, सी देयर आर टू स्क्वायर प्लॉट्स. Right, one square plot is having its side. Right, suppose I am telling that this is your square 1, this is your square 2. Right, let us represent this side with x1. x1 is equal to 2x minus 1, or to avoid confusion, let us write its side as a, right, or a1 now. And this side is a2, 5x plus 4. Now if you find this area is A1, second area is A2. Now the area of the second square plot is 9 times the area of the first square plot. So area of second square plot is 9 times area of first square plot. This is given in the question. Are you getting my point? Okay, now how can you find area of any square plot? What is the formula for area of square plot? Quickly write in chat box. How can you find area of square plot? One quickly. Yes. Yes, Afak. Yes. Right. So side square. This is your side into side, isn't it? So for area 2, right, what is your side? A2, that is 5x plus 4 whole square. So 5x plus 4 whole square is equal to 9 times area 1. Area 1 is your 2x minus 1 whole square. So this is your 2x minus 1 whole square. Now, so after simplification, you can see here, so therefore, a plus b whole square, 5x plus 4 whole square. So this is your a square plus 2 times a into b plus b square is equal to 9 times, okay, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Now, so therefore 5 5s are 25x square plus 5 2s are 10, 10 4s are 40x plus 4 square is 16 is equal to 9 times 4x square minus 2 2s are 4x plus 1. After simplification, we will get 25x square plus 40x plus 16 on left hand side, and on right hand side 9 4s are 36 or not, right? So 9 4s are 36x square minus 9 4s are 36x plus 9. Okay. Again, we will simplify. We will take all the terms on right hand side. So I am writing one step directly. Understand here. So 36x square. If this 25x square will go to that side, it will become negative or not? So 36 minus 25. Okay, let me write this. 36x square minus 25x square. Then next term will be minus 36 minus 40. Minus 36x minus 40x. And finally plus 9 minus 16. This all equal to 0. 36 minus 25 is 11 or not? Right. So 11x square. And same sides, same signs addition. 4 plus 3 7, 76x. Plus 9 minus 16. Minus 5 or not? Right. Now 11 5s are 55. You have to find factors of 55 such that their difference will give you 76. Is it clear? Please give me some response. क्या यहाँ तक clear हुआ पहले? Right. Okay. बस वो सारी मिस्टेक्स आपको पता चलनी चाहिए. Right. Yes, here it is my mistake. Yes, thank you, Mauryan. So 9 minus 16 will give you minus 7. Okay, is equal to 0. Now 11 into 7, you have to find factor of 77 such that their difference will give you 76. Okay, now what are the factors of 77? 77 into 1 or not? Right, 77 minus 1 will give you 76. And sign of middle term, right, that we can apply over here. This is your minus 77, this is your plus 1. So this is your 11x square. You cannot write factors over here directly because coefficient of x square is not 1. So 11x square minus 77x plus 1x minus 7 equal to 0. From first two terms, if I take 11x common in bracket, I will have x minus 7. In last two terms, I will take 1 common in bracket, I will have x minus 7. So if I take x minus 7 as common, and here it is your 11x plus 1 equal to 0. So after simplification, x is equal to 7 or x is equal to minus 1 by 11. Now, x is your part of side or not? Right? Can it be negative? Exactly, x आपका नेगेटिव हो सकता है, नो इश्यू, बट उसकी साइड फिर नेगेटिव नहीं होनी चाहिए. राइट. but is this possible? X is equal to minus 1 by 11. See, because your sides are, one side is 2x minus 1 and other side is 5x plus 4 or not. If x is negative, minus 1 by 11, so this is minus 5 by 11. This will also give in fraction form. Okay, and here if you will put minus 9 by 11, a1 will be negative. So this is not possible, right? So for here your a1 will be negative, so implies it is not possible. Okay, so this is not possible, this is possible. Now we have to find longer side. They are not asking us to find x, they are asking us to find longer side. Now since a1 is equal to 2x minus 1, a2 equal to 5x plus 4, a1 equal to 2x minus 1 and a2 equal to 5x plus 4, let us put x in both the cases and try longer side. So 7 2s are 14 minus 1 will give you 13, 7 5s are 35, 35 plus 4 will give you 39 centimeter. Now tell me which side is longer, 39 or not, right? If centimeter is given to you, then centimeter. If unit is given to you, then it should be in terms of unit only, right? It is given to you in terms of meter, so this is meter, 39 meter. Is it clear? Please give me some response, students. तो इसीलिए आपको पेशेंस रख के करना पड़ेगा कोई भी क्वेश्चन, राइट? थोड़ा बड़ा है बट इजी है. ओके, इज इट क्लियर? So should I repeat this? Tell me. Shall I repeat this? और किसी को पता ना चला हो, right? Don't hesitate to ask. If there is any need of repetition, you can tell me. Anyone? Okay. चलो, we can do this question with the help of options. Yes, yes. आप ये क्वेश्चन ऑप्शन से नहीं, ऑप्शन से कैसे करोगे, राइट? अनन्या, ये क्वेश्चन ऑप्शन से नहीं हो पाएगा. क्यों? ऊपर वाला क्वेश्चन हो सकता था, राइट? यू कैन चेक अबो क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम ऑप्शंस, राइट? इसके ऊपर वाला जो क्वेश्चन था वो आप ऑप्शन से कर सकते थे, क्योंकि उसमें आपको दो रूट्स ऑलरेडी दिए गए थे क्वेश्चन के अंदर ही, ऑप्शंस के अंदर. तो उनका सम ऑफ रूट्स फाइंड करके आप देख सकते थे यहाँ पे. ओके, सम ऑफ योर रूट्स शुड बी -2. ये वाला ऊपर वाला जो क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन 11, आप सम ऑफ रूट्स फाइंड करके डायरेक्ट चेक कर सकते हैं, राइट? सम ऑफ रूट्स शुड बी -b by a, तो सम ऑफ रूट्स शुड बी 2. So if I add here 1 minus r minus 1, so 1 minus 1 will get cancelled out, minus 2r. So this is not your case. 1 plus r, not case. Plus r minus r will get cancelled out, you will get 1, not case. But here if you add, you will get plus 2. So here you can do from options, but not in question 12. Because this is your side or not, right? This 15 is your 2x minus 1 or 5x plus 4, no one knows. Is it clear? Chalo, question number 13. The value of square root 7, square root 7, square root, ऐसे आपका पूरा square root चलता ही जा रहा है, -1. Okay, so see over here. ऐसे questions को देख के आप पहले घबराओ मत. I am giving you this type. I think foundation के क्लास में last time कराया था मैंने, right? जब आपको quadratic question करा रहा था ऐसे question. So these questions are called ocean type of questions, right? इसको आप उस तरीके से याद रख सकते हो, ये आपके ocean type of questions हैं. Okay, how? Let us understand this. पहले मैं बस आपको ये टर्म समझा रहा हूँ, राइट? ये टर्म आपकी क्या है? स्क्वायर रूट 7 इंटू स्क्वायर रूट 7 इंटू स्क्वायर रूट 7, ऐसे चलता ही जा रहा है. यस सर, नो? स्क्वायर रूट आपका चलता ही जा रहा है, 7 7 7 7. ओके, अब नाउ टेल मी वन थिंग, राइट? अगर ओशियन है, ओशियन में से आप एक बकेट पानी लेके आ रहे हो, क्या ओशियन को कोई फर्क पड़ेगा? राइट। सपोज ओशियन में पानी कितना है, इफ आई हैव टू आस्क यू हाउ मच वाटर इज देयर इन द ओशियन, राइट, टेल मी। यस, वेरी गुड, राइट। तो ओशियन में बहुत सारा पानी है, राइट, यू कैन कंसिडर दिस इज इनफाइनाइट, इनफाइनाइट अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर। उसमें से आप एक बकेट पानी कम कर दो, राइट, कोई फर्क पड़ेगा? नहीं, वो इनफाइनाइट का इनफाइनाइट ही रहेगा। इन अ सेम वे ये आपकी पूरी इनफाइनाइट सीरीज है, राइट। सपोज मैं इसको ओशियन ले रहा हूँ, दिस इज योर एक्स। हर एक ओशियन वाले क्वेश्चन में आपको यही करना है, दिस इज योर एक्स, राइट। अब ये ओशियन में से ये सारा उसके अंदर पानी है, अंडर रूट